Types of data obfuscation include pseudonymization, which is the use of pseudonyms to represent data. And the easiest way to remember this is to think of an alias. For example, a pseudonym, such as the Blue Crusader, can be used to represent a person's name or some data that is hidden behind that pseudonym, and thus can be reversed if necessary. And in the world of GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, pseudonyms are also referred to as artificial identifiers. And in contrast to pseudonymization is anonymization, which is the process of removing all relevant data so that it is theoretically impossible to identify the original subject or person. In other words, anonymized data is unidentifiable. For this reason, if anonymization is done correctly, GDPR is no longer relevant for such data. However, true anonymization is not easy and can be difficult due to data inference. And finally, there is tokenization, which is replacing data with other data, which is referred to as a token, which is a randomized string of characters or numbers, which have no value or meaning outside of the process that created them and links them back to the real data. Which means tokenization and pseudonymization are very similar in that data can be reversed. And this is an important key technical takeaway for your CISSP exam. Which again, tokenization is similar to pseudonymization, and one uses tokens whereas the other uses pseudonyms. But the overall idea is largely the same. Unlike anonymization, where the data is not to be reversed, aka not to be returned back to its original state. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you would like to see more content like this, it would be super fantastic if you could leave a like and subscribe to help support this channel's growth.